If you're experiencing pending transfers on Wise, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Wise account and navigate to the Activity section. Here, you can see the status of your transfers, including any that are pending. Step 2. Review transfer details. Click on the pending transfer to review its details. Make sure that all information, such as recipient details and transfer amount, is correct. Step 3. Confirm payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact Wise support. If the transfer remains pending without clear reasons, reach out to Wise customer support. Provide them with the transfer ID and any relevant details to expedite the process. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, monitor your email for updates. Transfers may take some time to process, so be patient while Wise resolves the issue. By following these steps, you can effectively address pending transfers on Wise. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for assistance.